this material will be the best candidate for my flags, for American flags. And so I'm going to cut all of this material into triangles, and then decorate it with all of the wonderful patriotic things like this, normal, regular, 100% scraps. Let's go scrap it. So I need to make a pattern.